morning! Merry Christmas! Pa la 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 la. What you doing? What are you doing? Yay! Early morning packages and overnight package. Last minute Amazon package. What are you doing? Okay, coming. Oh! Is that a lighthouse?
No.
What is that?
A toy rocket and it's going to tumble.
Oh my
And
goodness.
my friends are going to destroy it. Destroy it. Destroy it.
Oh my
You wanna
goodness.
Okay, do it again.
Oh, sure.
Just break a rocket. Put it right there.
Oh, it's more sturdy.
Your first Gavin. This is your first WhatsApp for serious. Then,
Oh
you
no.
rust again and you rust again.
More, put.
Oh, let's see again.
Yeah.
My favorite song it's this one.
Ooh, that's your gift for Mama?
Yeah.
Thank you.
And what else do you want? I'm from Jurassic World. I got some friends. Yeah. I'm gonna run to you.
Good morning! Merry Christmas! Say Merry Christmas, guys!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! We're going for a last minute grocery. Wala pa kami lulutuin. We're going to
Saan mo na yan?
Oriental Store. Watching Philippine Live. Live in the Philippines.
Ay, 500 guys!
Nagpag ganina. Kami sa tindahang Pinoy, Filipino store siya. Bili kami ng pang spaghetti kasi baka naubusan na dun sa binibilan namin sa Oriental Store. So, let's get open. Open, please. Yeah. Here, kuya. Hi. It's here. Maybe I'll buy it too. Ako. Didn't know na may mga ganito na pala. Mix. Why? What? Pag-show. Go, let's go. Pag-show. Maybe you want to try. This is good. No lang. Cheese. We need cheese, kuya. We need cheese. Cheese, yes. Look for the cheese, babe.
Merry Christmas, okay guys?
Saan ang anak mo? Dalawa po, baby. 1 year old.
Oh, baby pa.
Okay.
Ginagamit. Kasi ba?
Ay, Kojic po.
Magic soap.
Kojic. Thank you po.
Check mo yan ha.
Okay po,
Online.
I will.
Alam mo sila minsan.
Give Austin, okay?
Si Daddy, wala pa gift. Instacart na lang sa Walmart.
Ano pa si ate? Anong gamit mo sa mukha mo? Kojic po. Only Kojic touches my face. Pero atik lang. I is this one. Bobo.
Now, I'll try to make it perfect. I really love my floral
Watch out, Robbie.
Hello!
Hi, Nance. Oh, kuya, wag ka pa
Merry Christmas!
Nya.
Wow, there's a lot of gifts!
20 million, 20,000, 20 billion.
Tagal ko po ni Daddy.
Paano si Daddy ano?
Ko ba na? Ikutan ka na.
Before you were preventing migraine with Qulipta, you'll never truly forget migraine.
I'm lying here.
Baka mo na din na kailangan eyeglasses.
Uy! Tubo po.
Tungit-ngit kayo.
Ay, padami.
One,
Sige, sige. Okay, wait. One.
Tawag ko hilang-hilang. Apin lang.
We're done? Oh, yeah, babe.
Okay, dapat. Okay. One. Austin!
Tita, mag-open gifts ha. Smile.
Atras pa man. Atras pa.
Hello, we're at Christian's house and at Nina's vlog.
Dako na kung na. Why don't you open one thing for you?
Wait. No, Christian is doing the karaoke.
You want to open that one?
Saan mo pa dyan? Up, up. Saan mo? Up ba ka? Ay, anak ka? Ay, anak.
Alit na mo.
800?
Iba yung travel. Magulat travel din ngayon. Yata galing mo sa mga. Magkuha sa kanina.
Ito, kuhan lang ka.
Look!
Got it to round it. Give me the dog.
Thank you, Christian.
Dito na ito na.
Oh, dito na.
Austin ka.
Grabe.
Open, open, open!
Open na, please. Wala, open. Gift ni Kuya niyo.
Wala siya gift sa ako. Si Christian. What did you get? Sige sa lagi ka. Pareha wala sa iyo. To Marilyn. Oh.
May kwarta. May kwarta. Did you open yours?
Open na sa Pilwan.
Wow! Who gave that one? Nanay Belen? Wow! Mama will get a scissor. Good morning! It's December 25. It's the Christmas morning. It's 10 a.m. na. Ngayon lang kami nagising. And nagligpit-ligpit lang ako dito sa kumisina. And ito yung mga natira sa mga foods namin kagabi. Spaghetti. And lumpia. Ang dami ng lumpia. Lots. So later, is siguro mga 2 p.m. Punta kami dun sa friend ni Mami sa Ruskin. Mga an hour yung layo ng bahay nila. Kasi nag-invite sila dun. So pupunta kami dun sa kanila. Ay, nako. Wala naman masyadong ganap kagabi. Like, nag-open lang kami ng gifts. Then, kumain. Kasi, ganyan talaga pag dito lang sa US. At sa ibang bansa, siguro tapos konti lang kayo. Wala masyadong ganap. Pero sobrang aliw ako dun sa, nag-Christmas party dun sa Pilipinas. Nanonood ako ng live nila. And wala lang. Saya lang ako nanood ng live. Kasi may mga nagpa-game sila. I do miss Christmas in the Philippines, but life now is different kasi I have a kids na. So I need to do like Christmas para better naman yung Christmas childhood Christmas ng mga kids ko, di ba? Kasi back then, I'm still kid. So, kaya masaya. Kasi my mom is always making sure na okay yung Christmas. And now, dapat ako, as a mom, dapat I make sure na ma-enjoy din ng mga kids ko yung Christmas. Life is different. Anyway, tulog pa yung mga kasay. Dito natulog si Christina and si Lucky kagabi. So, tulog pa si Austin. Sobrang tagal natulog ng batang yun. And then, si Christian is tulog pa. Si Travis and si Lucky. Si Travis nakikipaglaro na kay Lucky. And, siguro pagising nila is kakain lang kami. Kakain na kami. Yun lang. Maglipit muna ako.
Karon di ba, mga lab kaya nakuha ni mo kay.
Kamera na siya na?
Merami.
Hinabtan mo. Ito na ang packet.
DJI Osmo Pocket. Ay.
Nice, Batman.
Uy, what will you say?
What did you say?
Thank you, Kuya.
That's Kuya Anthony. Wow!
Who's that?
Who's that? Batman?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man?
Spider-Man.
Kuya Anthony.
Yeah, you
He has a lot of toys upstairs. Look. Good. Yeah. Yeah, go upstairs. Go upstairs. Uy, meron na meron.
Uy! Naibata! Naibata!
Hans, kuya.
Uy, ito.
Going dun sa mana.